Stella, and I like to say that I'm feeling much better than last time.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.
I was diagnosed with acute myeloid leukemia when I was 8 years old, and I was in and out of the hospital for about a year. What I remember as an 8-year-old, I was never told the severity of how great my cancer was and my survival rate. They never shared that with me. I did know that I was sick enough where I needed to have the attention of the doctors, and that's where I met CHAP for the first time. They set up in the playroom that they had in the wing. They came in, they had this huge cart, and you're just as a kid, you're just like, what's the big cart? Who are they?
CHAP is a nonprofit that has existed for almost 20 years now. CHAP's mission statement is that we believe in the healing power of art for kids, no matter what their diagnosis, disability, or disease is. CHAP gives you a safe place to just do art and kind of be expressing what you need to express that day. So whether it is a joyful point that you want to just share, or stress that you need to get out of your body and onto a paper or onto the page, CHAP provides that, whether we're in the hospital or here at the art club, or if we're just encouraging you and giving you that idea to keep doing art at home. CHAP tries to encourage all the kids and families that we meet to keep creativity in their lives. So whether they are currently inpatient at the hospital, or if they're visiting us at our studio for Out Club, that they can keep that creativity going to kind of ease any anxiety that they're having, or just to have a joyful moment and allow themselves that in the day. I believe that art can heal. I see it time and time again.
Today, I'm studio coordinator at CHAP. For me, being the studio coordinator, it's really heartwarming in a way that I am also bringing art to these kids, the way that CHAP brought them to me in the hospital. And it's really nice to be able to kind of time travel to a time where I got to feel joy with art. And I hope that I am also bringing that joy with the kids. And it's really nice when I get to hear them laugh and smile and be creative. And these kids are amazing. They bring the studio so much life.